Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through diagnosing a mystery smell in your house. Not the full book, just the teaser version. Your nose is a diagnostic tool. The trick is using it systematically instead of just spraying Febreze and hoping. Here's the scene. Something in your house smells, and it won't go away. Maybe it's in one room. Maybe it's everywhere. Maybe it peaks when the HVAC kicks on, or after it rains, or only at night. Most homeowners make the same mistake here. They mask it, they light a candle, they spray an aerosol, they run an air freshener. That destroys evidence. The smell is information. What you want to do is name the category first, and each category has a different path. Before you fix anything, diagnose. There are 6 categories. Musty means mold or mildew. Rotten eggs means sewer gas. Decaying flesh means a dead rodent inside a wall. Burning plastic means electrical overheating. Skunky or gasoline-like means a gas leak, and that is the one where you walk out of the house first. And then there's embedded odors from cigarettes, pets, or chemical off-gassing. Here's what the investigation actually looks like. If it's sewer gas in a guest bathroom or basement, the first thing to try is pouring a cup of water down every rarely used drain. The P-trap dried out. Water seals it in 5 seconds. If it's musty, you walk the house nose to baseboard, especially basements and under sinks. You look for visible mold or moisture stains at the wall floor corner. You run a dehumidifier in the suspect room for 3 to 5 days. If the smell fades, moisture is the cause, and the fix is tracing the source. If it smells like decay, you check the attic and the crawl space with a flashlight. Rodent droppings and disturbed insulation tell you where to look. If the whole house smells, you pull an HVAC return vent and shine a light in. Ducts carry odors everywhere, and they hide dead mice better than anywhere else. For embedded smoke or pet odor, you rent an ozone generator, $100 a day, and you treat the house unoccupied. The mistakes that double this job. Masking with candles and air fresheners. Assuming the loudest smell is the one closest to you, when HVAC ducts move odors across the whole house. Replacing the drywall before you found the moisture source, and giving up after 2 days. Smell diagnostics takes a week, not an afternoon. One safety stop. If what you smell is natural gas, propane, or burning plastic, stop reading. Leave the house immediately. Don't flip switches. Don't start the car. Don't use your phone inside. Call the gas utility from outside, or pull the main breaker and call an electrician. Gas leaks and electrical fires are not diagnostic puzzles. They are safety events. For the full systematic walk, the 6-category diagnostic tree, and the When to Hire a Pro guide, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.